Following concerns over water contamination in the Five Cities area, we've heard not everyone received the initial alerts sent out by emergency services, or if they did, they didn't receive it all at the same time. I'm Sophia Villalba, and as your community reporter, I headed to the County Office of Emergency Services to find out why alerts went out at different times and how you can ensure you receive them. When notices on a boil water advisory went out for the Five Cities area Wednesday, 3 alert systems were used: Reverse 911 Alert Slow and the Wireless Emergency Alert System, or WEAS.
Right before 8 o'clock, it was a text, I think, and it just said that the water was contaminated and that we needed to boil our water, and that was it.
But not everyone was notified. There are more than 280,000 people living in San Luis Obispo County. 116,000 people are registered through Reverse 911, but only 6,500 signed up for Alert Slow.
If they don't have a landline and they are not signed up for Reverse 911 and or Alert Slow, they would not get an alert.
The county's emergency services director, Scott Jalbert, tells me his office initially sent alerts through those 2 systems, but realized more was needed.
Later on in the day, as we evaluated the situation, started receiving multiple calls about people not getting the information, we made a decision to go ahead and utilize our wireless emergency alert system, which dramatically enhanced the notification in the area.
That alert looks like this, sending a notification to your cell phone.
It's an automatic system that your phone gets and receives those types of alerts based on if you're in the location that we issue those warnings for.
As we were coming into town, our phones went off with an amber, like an amber, it wasn't, but like an alert, and let us know that there was a problem with the water.
Even people from out of town received the alerts.
You know, we travel around quite a bit, and you never know what you're getting into, so to have some sort of information, it just helps you make better decisions.
Jalbert says it's still possible some people were missed.
Because sometimes WEAs don't work. You know, they're not 100%, nothing's 100%. And so because of that, we try to use a multitude of systems when we're sending out alerts.
He stresses the importance of being signed up for all types of emergency alerts. Now, for more information on how you can sign up for emergency alerts, you can look for this story on KSBY.com. In San Luis Obispo, Sophia Villalba, KSBY News.